Unraveling the Glamour, the red carpet premiere explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and culture. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's synonymous with glamour, fashion, and movies: red carpet premiere. Whether you're a movie buff or just curious about English expressions, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the meaning behind this glamorous event and why it's so significant in the entertainment world. The term, red carpet premiere, refers to a grand and formal event for the first public showing of a movie. This phrase is made up of two parts, red carpet and premiere. The red carpet signifies a long, red walkway that celebrities walk on when entering the event, symbolizing a special welcome and high status. The premiere indicates the first performance or showing of a film. Together, they describe a high-profile movie debut attended by the cast, celebrities, and invited guests, often accompanied by media coverage and fanfare. The tradition of the red carpet dates back to ancient times, but its association with movie premieres began in the early 20th century. The first known use of a red carpet at a movie premiere was for the Hollywood debut of Robin Hood in 1922. Since then, the red carpet has become a staple for premieres, award ceremonies, and other high-profile events, symbolizing excellence and importance. It's not just about the movie. It's a celebration of cinema, fashion, and culture, providing a platform for stars to showcase their style and interact with fans and media. A red carpet premiere is not just about watching a film. It's an elaborate event that requires meticulous planning. Before the stars step onto the carpet, organizers select a venue, arrange for security, and coordinate with media outlets for coverage. Celebrities arrive in designer outfits, posing for photographs and giving interviews. For fans, it's an opportunity to see their favorite stars up close, and for actors and filmmakers, it's a moment to celebrate their work's culmination and connect with the audience. Red carpet premieres have a significant impact on a film's marketing and public perception. They generate media buzz, creating anticipation and excitement among the audience. The images and interviews from the red carpet are shared worldwide, providing valuable publicity for the movie. Moreover, these events can influence fashion trends, as outfits worn by celebrities often become highly discussed and emulated. That wraps up our exploration of the red carpet premiere. From its historical roots to its role in today's film industry, the red carpet is much more than just a pathway for celebrities. It's a symbol of celebration, achievement, and the magical allure of cinema. We hope this video has provided you with a deeper understanding of this glamorous tradition. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language and its cultural phenomena. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.